Hublai phi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka Meghalaya bat Assam kila Mynjur ban shim ki sinjam ki bran kam mardor ban Pynjai no e ka jinglong jingman Lapangap hadien ka Jingiakynad apdeng Mynjur ba ka Meghalaya Conrad ki sangma bat Mynjur ba ka Assam Himanta biswa sarma. Hagwahati hakasing thoding. Habakran shikilat pathai kubor hadien ka Jingialang U Conrad ong ba ka Jingiakynad kalong ka ba seiso bat ka ba teibha ka bala penlet jingmut kerpang halor ka Jingiakynad ka brang beteng Lapangap. Bar ka bala pinsngu kia ya baro artli ki jila hakini kita yo bala dem. Ulai thu baharingkat berusembut menteri rangba ke jila ba snyau balang dhar ulai kendu ya Himanta biswa sarma ha office re kam jung u banyakren halor ke jinglong jingman hakaput Meghalaya Assam karkum ke jingya thu jung u ke sarkar Meghalaya kala persang na du kisngi ba kita yo bala len banwan ra lang ya baro ki kinhun ki badan benta hakani kakam khnang banwad ya kalenti jingya sngu thu jingmut ba jingya penben. U Conrad ongru baki officer na baro artli ke sarkar jila kentup iki bor Synchar district kila shimbenta ha ka Jingialang bar kila yakran benya halor kilat kilinti ban penne ya ka Jingiasuk ha ka te kathan. Ngimshim la ya benta tang ha ka Jingiakran ring la pynbeit ru ya katu katni ki sinjam ki bala ban yarap ban Pynjai ya ka jinglong jingman. Ki officer badai pet ya ka kam kin sa pentrai kam ya kini ki sinjam ya kini ki singiban wan lo ong U Conrad. Menteri rangba ula kenturu ya kinong song bat ki officer na baro aliang ka kapbot ban ai ka jingya trailang ba jingya shania mark liang knang bana ban poi sha ka jingya penbet ka bani islam. Ngimdei tang manwad ikalat penbet ka bashipor nei ban trailang ha krukam ka ban wanra ya ka jingya sung bar ka jingya sung thu jingmut ka bani islam ula penram. Habakali halor ka Jingiakran penbet put hapreng ka Meghalaya bat Assam U Conrad ong ba ka Jingiakran kansas dang biang hadien bala pendep pura ya ka jingtau ya ka kinhun menteri hapo ka sarkar Assam. Ulai itu babaro jila kila Mynjur ban peteng biang ka Jingiakran penbet put chisin bagi menteri jungka sarkar Assam kila dep shim smai ban pendep ya ki jing penkre badan kam.
Along with Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snyobalang Dhar, we met Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in his office chamber in Guwahati. And the main purpose of our visit was to discuss the ongoing situation in Lapangap that's happening right now along the Assam-Meghalaya border. And as you know that there's been a lot of concerns about it. And for the last many days and in fact weeks, we have been trying to bring the different stakeholders together to resolve the issue and to find a way forward. And we had a very, very positive and a very constructive meeting. Other officials from both the state governments, including district officials, were present. And we have worked out some measures which could help us diffuse the situation. And our officials concerned will be taking steps in the next few days to try and resolve the issue. And through this particular message, I also would like to urge the people also and officials and all the stakeholders from both sides that we should work to make sure that we are able to resolve the problem. We should work in a positive manner, and we should work in a constructive manner and trust each other and work in such a manner that we can find not just a solution for the short term but also in the long run. And we have also decided that once the Assam government is fully in place in terms of all the different cabinet ministers, once the oath is taken place, that the discussions further on the larger context of the border issue will take place then. So we will take a call at that point in time for the larger context. But today's meeting was limited to the Lapangap issue, and we are very hopeful, as I said, that we should be able to resolve the situation, and we seek cooperation from all stakeholders at this point in time. Thank you very much.